Book of Heaven, Volume 12, May 10th, 1919. For as long as the divine will lasts in the soul, so does the divine life last within her. I was very afflicted and almost worried about my poor state, and Jesus, wanting to distract me from thinking about myself, told me,
"My daughter, what are you doing? The thought of yourself makes you go out of my will. And don't you know that for as long as my will lasts in you, so does the divine life last within you, and that as soon as my will ceases, so does the divine life cease, and you take back your human life. Beautiful exchange you make. The same happens with obedience, for as long as the obedience lasts, so does the life of the one who commanded last in the one who obeys. As soon as obedience ceases, so does one take back one's own life."
Then, as though sighing, he added,
"Ah, you do not know the ruin the world will fall into, and everything that has happened until now can be called a game, compared to the chastisements that will come. I do not let you see them all so as not to oppress you too much, and I, in seeing the obstinacy of man, remain as though hidden within you. And you, pray together with me, and do not want to think about yourself."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.